Welcome to Axioma Scholar, an adaptive math practice platform designed to help students build stronger calculus skills through targeted, personalized practice. Students can choose from a wide range of calculus, pre-calculus, and fundamental topics, allowing them to focus on exactly the skills they need to improve. For the sake of this demonstration, we're going to be selecting the pre-calculus topic, powers, radicals, and exponents. First, students can customize their experience. They can choose their session mode, which includes how long they want to practice, how many questions they want, or a free play mode. At the core of Axioma Scholar is its adaptive algorithm. As students answer questions, the platform adjusts difficulty based on performance, helping them strengthen weak areas while continuing to challenge them as they improve. Once a session starts, Axioma Scholar pulls from a bank of over 350,000 handwritten questions and gives students targeted multiple-choice practice for the topics they selected, which can include limits, derivatives, trigonometry, integrals, pre-calculus, and everything else you saw on the previous page. For multiple-choice practice, students can use process of elimination tools, either by clicking this button or by right-clicking, to narrow down answer choices and practice smarter test-taking strategies. Axioma Scholar also includes hints, which you can click here and pull them up. And if there's multiple hints, you can see tabs here and select the multiple hints. So let's just answer this question randomly. And now let's get this question correct. As you can see, our platform caters to each student and their unique learning style, making Axioma Scholar the perfect fit for thousands of students across Canada. And let's answer one more question here. Now we can see that we got this question incorrect, so we can see the full solution. Students receive immediate support through step-by-step solutions that explain the reasoning behind each answer. For a simple question like this, the explanation is quite short, but for more complex questions, like in our calculus curriculum, explanations can be quite long. Move on to the next question. To keep students encouraged, Axioma Scholar includes motivational break pages and positive feedback, like confetti when a question is answered correctly. Students can also save important questions for later review. So let me just show a quick example of that. Let's just say I wanted to save this question here. Later on, I will show where we can go visit that question. Now let's say we want to end the session. After a session, students can see how they performed during that session, but they can go into the See My Stats page. In this page, students can review the progress dashboard to see how they are improving across topics, track performance trends, and identify where to focus next. They can even see the percentile showing where they stack up against other users. Let's go into recent sessions. Remember that question we saved earlier? Saved questions are stored in Axie's favorites, where students can revisit them at any time. They can even regenerate questions with new numbers, giving them fresh practice on the same underlying skill so that students aren't memorizing answers, but instead learning the concepts. Together, these features create a more supportive, personalized, and effective way to practice calculus, helping students build confidence, close learning gaps, and improve their calculus scores. Lastly, students can further personalize their sessions through advanced settings, including mathematical notation preferences, angle units, and sound effects volume, so the platform matches how they are learning in class. By combining adaptive difficulty, step-by-step support, and meaningful progress tracking, Axioma Scholar gives students the tools they need to improve their math scores with confidence.